Hey everyone, welcome to this week's plan with me. So I'm actually hoping this actually goes up before Wednesday. I have a very busy week. I'll be at Planners Rock this weekend though, so if you are going to be there, make sure you actually stop by and say hello. So this is the kit I'm using this week. This kit will be in the shop next week on the 9th, not this Friday. I have a St. Patrick's Day kit going into the shop on Friday, so you guys will be able to grab that one then. If you're going to be at Planners Rock, I will have that kit with me as well as this kit too. So you guys have sneak peeks at new kits that will be in the shop in February actually. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. I am actually gonna do a very simple week for myself. I will be blocking out this weekend sort of. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually put in these boxes that are here for Saturday and Sunday since I am leaving and I won't be in the office. So I won't be in the office Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm just going to do a box, a half box at the very top just to kind of like write down like the most important thing I need to do that day. It'll just be easier for me to like keep track of that, and especially for Thursday because that's kind of like my last like crunch time day. And I'll probably do one for Friday as well. So I'm just going to do one of these each at the very top. So this way I can, again, write the most important thing I need. I am driving up on Friday, so I do have to pick up Emily and Shira. If you guys know her, she is Love Shira on Instagram. Lisa is also going to be rooming with us, by the way. She is the one of the co-anchor. I want to say co-anchor because I'm not sure what the actual term is. She's one of the people who does the podcast for Washi One Repeat. I have a couple things. So I have new releases on Friday. Again, I'm going to have those loaded up probably on Thursday though. That way I don't have to worry about them. I'm actually going to put this full box on this side. For my to-do list, I'm going to actually put them in the middle section here. And then I'm just going to do a full box on the bottom of these. Except for Thursday. Thursday, I'm just going to write my packing list basically. So, things I don't want to forget. And so I'm going to do a full box which has the square over it because I wanted to be able to write on here on Saturday since that is the date actually for Planners Rock. Registration is on Friday though, so I might just write that in a half box or something. And then for Friday I'm just going to do a quarter box to indicate to pick up Emily and Shira, and then I'm doing a second quarter box to kind of load up the car. Since I did add extra boxes for this one, I'm going to do a box for Thursday and another box to make sure I load up the car. And since the car is kind of like a gray, I'm just going to use the gray one. So I'm just going to do a to-do list here because I'm not sure what else I'm missing. And so I don't forget anything, I'm actually going to get an appointment sticker and put this upside down so I can write in it. And I'm just going to cover the actual appointment sticker and stick this right along the top. But I'm just going to write, don't forget to pack. And then I'm just going to grab my next week sticker. I'm going to put this right along this box here because I do have a couple things I need to remember to do. I have planners and PJs thing, and I have a bunch of other stuff I need to like write down. So I'm just going to make sure I don't forget that. We are driving home on Sunday, so I'm just going to use this one and just kind of like write in drive home from Palm Springs since that's where Planners Rock is. Alright, so now that those are done, I'm just going to put in a full box on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at the very bottom. And then I'm just going to add in a quarter box since those fit perfectly like right in the middle of those. I'm just gonna write when registration is, I think, and then any like smaller to-do lists, and then I'm just gonna put in another box at the bottom of that because I really have like no idea what's going on because I have to check the schedule for things. So I might just write down the schedule there, and then I have a space in here. So what I'm just gonna do is add in a box for that. I think a quarter box should work for that. So I'm just gonna layer this right on top of that. I might just be able to write in like, make sure you stop for snacks, or don't forget snacks. I might have to do a grocery run before I leave on Friday. And then I have a half box left. So what I'm gonna do is add that one in here to the bottom of Saturday because I wanna make sure I cover those up, the lines up, because now that it was the only ones that were left. But this is basically my plan with me for this week. I'm gonna do my sidebar real quick, but I think all I have to do is a couple things. So what I'm gonna do is add in only one of the weekly things and do my water tracker because I need to make sure I drink enough water this week. Alright guys, so that is basically it as a very basic plan with me for you guys. Thanks for watching and sticking around, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye everyone.